So as we wrap up this topic, creating a culture of compassion in the workplace, here are a couple of key points that I'd like to reinforce. One, when we create a culture of compassion, it leads to greater employee engagement and lower levels of stress, negativity, and employee burnout. Two, when we create a culture of compassion, it also leads to higher levels of customer trust, and it reduces their anxiety and stress because they feel that we care. And three, the best way to demonstrate compassion is to be considerate of others, communicate in a warm and caring manner, and to practice simple acts of kindness like those we often spotlight with weekly wow stories during our team huddles. So the final question is, what will you do? How will you apply what you've learned? What are you committed to start, stop, or continue doing to help us create a culture of compassion? Well, we can all start by being more patient, kind, and considerate in our interactions with others. Next, we can stop partaking in negativity or speaking harshly, especially when we don't understand others. And last, we can all continue raising the bar in how we treat each other, which should always be with the utmost in dignity and respect. Thanks so much for viewing this series, and have a wonderful day.